video is gonna be weird slime combinations. Yeah, let's get straight on into the video. What yo? Alright guys, first thing we're gonna do is we gotta make the slime. But first I have this big bucket of base slime. And I just wanted to show you guys just the little bubbles because it's really nice and satisfying. So alright, that is it. Okay. So the first weird slime combination we're gonna do, guys, is cloud slime and butter slime. I've never really seen that before. I feel like people probably have done it, but I haven't really like actually done it and like looked at what happened. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make a cloud slime and a butter slime really quick, and then we're gonna mix it. So yeah, and it will also be a nice slime smoothie. For the cloud slime, we need some snow. This is activated snow with lotion in it. I was just like playing around, so we're gonna try that out. I literally just put like a little bit of water and then a little bit of snow, little bit of lotion, and I mixed it in there, and that's what happened. Looks pretty good. We're gonna see if it works out or anything like that, and yeah. All right, doesn't seem too bad so far, honestly. Like, it's actually pretty good. Wow. It actually didn't even melt that much. All right, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and add the powder as is. I feel like that's easier, but I don't know. And then we're just gonna go ahead and let that soak up, and I'll see you guys when this is all soaked up later, in probably like actually a second. All right, guys, here is the cloud fluff, and it's still kind of needs a little bit of time, but it's pretty good now. Look at that. Okay, anyways, now it is time to color it. I decided I'm gonna go with a pink and yellow mixture. So yeah, I'm gonna make this one pink. Alrighty, there we go. And then I'm gonna make the butter slime yellow. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Guys, is it just me, or is like cloud cream and food coloring mixing is like the most satisfying thing ever? Because it kind of like absorbs it, so it doesn't just slide around. It just kind of like slowly mixes, and it is just so beautiful to me. I love it. All right, guys, here's how it looks. I think it looks fantastic. Let's go ahead and start on the butter slime, and let's let this set for a little bit longer. All right, guys, so for the butter slime, I decided to go with a more saturated butter slime. So we have some clay and some slime, and yeah. All right. Okay, how should we do this? Should we like make this yellow first, or should we put yellow right here? Oh my gosh, that is so satisfying. Watch, guys, watch. I don't know why that's so satisfying to me. Is that like triphobia? I'm not sure if that's triphobia or not. Oh no. I kind of feel like putting food coloring in the holes. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so cool. Okay, is this not super cool, guys? Like, what the heck? All right, let's go ahead and mix this now with the slime. I hope this isn't too much food coloring. Kind of went a little crazy with the food coloring, but it was just so satisfying, guys. Oh wait, no, it's good. It's perfect. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. All right, well, that is now how I am coloring my butter slimes from now on, guys. Why is it so freaking sizzly? What the heck? I didn't even do anything to this. Okay, sometimes I feel like the best slimes are made by accident. Why is it so perfect? Oh my gosh. Okay, anyways, guys, now to do what you guys are here for and what I was supposed to be doing. Well, I am as whatever. Anyways, okay, so we have our pink slime. It's been setting for a little bit. Here it is. And let's go ahead and mix it. All right, let's do this. You guys ready? Ugh, oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. Holy cow. Okay, guys, why haven't I done this before? Like, I probably done this before, like, with a slime smoothie, but I didn't really, like, notice the beauty in it. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, I don't even know this is a weird food combination, guys. I think this is, wait, what? I don't even think this is a weird slime combination, not food combination. But I think it's more like a perfect slime combination. This is so beautiful, I can't. Anyways, here's how it ended up. It actually, like, literally just looks like a really nice butter slime. Like, it doesn't actually even look like cloud. All right, I'm gonna do one more swirl and we can get on to the next slime. Alrighty, guys, next slime we're gonna do is fluffy slime and not slushy, what is it? It's fishbowl slime. Fluffy slime and fishbowl slime. I feel like that's a weird slime combination. I don't know, you guys comment down below, maybe it's not weird enough, I don't know. But anyways, okay, I'm gonna make this one. I'm starting off with the fluffy slime and I'm gonna make it green. Don't you love putting food coloring on shaving cream? It is like so satisfying. If you haven't, you need to do it. Okay, this was actually so satisfying. I love this color green or yellow. I don't know what it is, honestly. I think it's more green than yellow. Okay, is my shaving cream like super dry because like it like completely activated the slime and this is terrible. Okay guys, I think I should just make a whole new slime because this is not going well. What the heck is this? Alrighty guys, so I decided to remake my fluffy slime, but I'm gonna make it from scratch because that was terrible. Like, oh my gosh. Okay, so put some food coloring, mix that together. Dang, that's some thick glue. I think it's old, so it's super thick. Alrighty, now we're gonna put some shaving cream. Uh-oh, did I need a bigger bowl? Alrighty guys, let's go ahead and activate it now. I have not made a fluffy slime in so long. Well, like from scratch. Take that all out. Okay, this is definitely a lot better, guys. I could feel it. It's like so much fluffier and like better. Alright guys, I am all done with it. Here it is. It is so much better. Like, I like mixing shaving cream with like a ready-made slime because it's kind of like satisfying, but like, I don't know what happened, guys. Like, here it is. It's just like, I don't know what happened. It's like, it's horrible. And then here is the from scratch. It's like so much better. Alrighty guys, now we're gonna make the slushy slime. So what should we put this? We have green and pink. That might look cool. I'm gonna do green and pink. There we go. Alrighty guys, now let's go ahead and put our slushy beads. That is such a pretty pink, I just have to say it really quick. Alrighty, let's mix that together. Alright guys, here is the fishbowl I made. I love this. I don't know why, but like, why haven't I made a fishbowl like this before? Like, this is beautiful. Okay, alright, let's go ahead and mix it. That one was very quick because it was just clear slime. Okay, so we have our fluffy slime. That looks oddly like a butter slime for some reason. And we have our slushy slime. What do you guys think? Is it gonna do good or is it gonna do bad? Or like Rainbow Playmaker says, will it slime? This literally looks like a watermelon, guys. It is beautiful. I didn't even notice. Well, I didn't notice right now. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Whoever knew these weird slime combinations could make such beautiful slime smoothies? Now it kind of looks like pink lemonade or something. It's kind of like a yellow color. Oh wow, it made like an orange. Okay, well these are really like amazing me, guys. Like I feel like these are just gonna like go completely wrong and they're just gonna be like really weird slimes and just like all messed up and stuff, but like this is actually pretty good. Like what the heck? This is, you know, oh my gosh guys, this reminds me of like salted pretzel or something, because like the foam beads, not the foam beads, the fishbowl beads kind of look like salt. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. All right, I'm gonna try and make a pretzel really quick, guys. Okay, so you're supposed to go like this. Don't expect anything good, guys. Okay, I'm gonna try again. I almost got it. Okay, it's supposed to be like this and then like go like that, I think. I did it kind of. Okay, let me just try one more time, guys. Alrighty, and then you switch it and like that. Oh, I made a pretzel, guys. Okay, well these are like turning out so much better than I expect. Okay, guys, let's get on to the next one. I'm sorry, I'm just so amazed by this. Alright guys, next weird slime combination we're gonna do is Cloud Fluff and Fishbowl. Slushy bead fishbowl. Okay, anyways, I made a Cloud Fluff ready. I decided to just make it. And then now I'm gonna go ahead and make the fishbowl though, because that one takes it's very quick. Alright, so for the fishbowl, I'm gonna make it yellow. Alrighty, I think it's all done. Now we're gonna go ahead and put some fishbowl. Alrighty. Ooh, this one is pretty. Okay, one thing that amazes me though is like how well these like beads like stick into the slime. Like it's beautiful. Like it doesn't even fall out. It's so weird. And this slime isn't even like, it's like kind of rippy. It's like cold, so it's kind of rippy. That looks like a nice slime, guys. Now we're gonna go ahead and color the cloud cream because I completely forgot. Anyways, we're gonna make this one blue. Oh, that was a lot of blue. Okay, all right, let's mix this. Ta-da! Okay, that is a gorgeous blue, guys. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and make our weird slime combination. So here it is, guys. You ready? You know, I feel like all the other ones, I thought that they were gonna be terrible, but they were actually really nice. So I still think this one's gonna be weird. I mean, it's cloud cream and fishbowl, but let's see, guys. You guys comment down below if you think it's gonna be weird, and let's go. Okay, well, first of all, I just have to say it looks fantastic as usual. But is it gonna end up fantastic? Oh, it's starting to melt. That's so weird. Why is it melting? What the heck? I think it's because of the clear slime in the cloud cream. Okay, let me just go ahead and activate this really quick. There we go. Oh gosh, I think that needs a lot. What happened? Also guys, like what y'all trappers like with it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Were you guys able to do it? That one was just a simple one, so yeah, let's just keep going. Alrighty guys, here it is. I reactivated it and it's actually not bad. I am like so surprised that these are actually pretty good. Like what the heck? I thought it was gonna be terrible. I thought it was gonna be like some weird beads falling out slime, but it's actually not that bad. Like, you know, it honestly seems like I did it on purpose. Alright guys, well I am all done with this one, but I'm gonna be doing a slime smoothie. We're gonna be doing the biggest, weirdest slime combination. Also guys, I just wanted to give you like a little quick update. I know it's been like probably like 2 minutes, I don't know, 5 minutes. But I just wanted to show you guys this orange slime. It's unbelievable. It's like sizzly and like a mixture of cloud cream and butter slime. Isn't that weird? Like I gotta keep some for myself, guys. I love it. I cannot believe this. I have just found the best slime combination. Not weird, the best, guys. You gotta try this. Anyway, so let's go ahead and keep mixing. Okay, and there's the third one. And let's mix this. And do you guys think it's gonna slime? You guys think it's gonna turn out good? I feel like I'm just gonna say yes because everything has just turned out good. So yeah, all right, let's do this. Don't slime smoothies always look cool? Ooh. Okay, if this doesn't turn out nice, I'm gonna be so mad because it's like the only one that I said is turning out nice. All right. Whoa, guys. Okay, so the Fishbowl beads with like these ones right here kind of has like blue slime still on it. So like it looks like it's blue slushy beads and it's so cool. Alright guys, here's how it turned out. The color is actually pretty good still. It's kind of like a green tea green or mint green or something like that. I feel like it's more like a green tea green though. Actually, it didn't turn out too bad. Like it's spreadable, it's kind of drizzly, it's stretchy, and mildly crunchy. It's 4-in-1 slime, guys. Alright guys, one last thing. I just wanted to end this video off with a nice iceberg because I have like a bunch of them and I don't want them to go to waste because from like my other video, so I thought I'd share with you guys. This is just pink. I'm gonna put some yellow food coloring on top. Be quiet, guys, be quiet, shh. Wow, that actually turned out really nice, guys. Like, it's like a weird jiggly slime. If you guys want to know what slime this is, it's like it's making small slimes into giant slimes. And this one was like, I added like a lot of shaving cream to it. So yeah, you guys can go check that out. Anyways, here it is. Here's how it turned out to a tiny slime. Look at this. It's tiny. Okay, you guys comment below if you guys want more of that because I have like literally 3 more, I think. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you hit that part 2 and that is it. Love you so much. I really hope we see you next time. Bye!